Sustainable architecture is a way of life. As our planet goes into a hot era, as we all know, optimizing the consumption of resources is a way forward. So without sustainability, our future is bleak.
Yeah, very much. Sustainability is what we need to imbibe in everyday living now. That needs to become a fabric of our design and be a part of ourselves every day, because sustainability is a requirement that is essential.
Jaguar Group has taken a lead by making this fantastic building as net zero. It's, a humongous effort that has gone into this building as we have, gone into how this building was made. And hats off to the management and the team that built this. And this is surely an example for young architects, practicing architects, and the bureaucracy and the politicians in this country to see how net zero can be done.
Well, I'll just add to that, saying that the Jaguar Global Headquarters is actually a perfect example of what we were discussing at the Confab today, of design, technology, and innovation. So it's actually the trinity to success. And this building where we are sitting here today is a perfect example of that.
The Design Confab is a fantastic concept of bringing everybody on a platform of the profession who are dealing in space, technology, and the demographics, and putting it all together for the young professionals to understand what their peers or their seniors are doing and how they have done it, and set an example. And it's setting up an initiation of the collaborative environment in architecture, in design, and industry, which is lacking currently in our nation.
I'll second that. What he says is that the Confab is indeed a perfect series that Jaguar has initiated, and to bring in the industry players and the practicing architects and designers and make them interact with the students at the grassroots level, because this knowledge share and knowledge transfer is very important and definitely needs to be done by the practicing architects and the seniors in the profession to pass it down to the students. We just wish the Confab to grow from strength to strength and have a larger audience.
Our association with the Jaguar Group has just started by chance, and we feel a part of the Jaguar family through this initiative of net zero, of Confab, and of this knowledge sharing platform that they have created. It is, in a way, everybody, a human being who likes to give back or share, and this platform helps us. So we feel that we are a part of this endeavor on the way forward.
Yeah, and Jaguar is doing a great job. We are this Confab system that they are doing, and ITP is also equally instrumental in having partnered, and Jaguar has partnered with them to take it forward. So this is how they should be doing it, and this is what how we interacted and how we came to meet up with Jaguar was during one of the interactions where we also suggested for them to have this knowledge transfer and started from schools, where we suggested our alma mater, the Chandigarh College of Architecture, and that's how the series began. And we'd like to definitely see it go further and grow further to other colleges across the country.
I think ITB is a fantastic partner that they've chosen. The way they are handling the content, I really appreciate that, because understanding architecture from the media is a very different ball game, and they are doing a fantastic job. I would like to add to that.
Definitely.
And one word for the Jaguar Group and what they're doing.
Well, one word I could say is state of the art, and probably ahead of their times, and definitely setting a fantastic example by inspiration and by leading. Thank you.
It's a great interface.